What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna talk about Wells & Fargo financial health tools. So guys, we are just gonna go through in-depth guide, and I'm gonna be teaching you about these three options which Wells & Fargo offers to you. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, Wells & Fargo has a couple of financial health tools to help you reach some of your goals. So we are gonna go through this. So first step is basically you need to know what you're looking for. So we are having basically seven plans, let's call them. So we are having managing spendings, managing credit and debt, preparing for emergencies, plans for retirement, care for life event, buying a house, and making a big purchase. So we are having three tools to help you get to your goals. So first option is credit close-up. So basically what credit close-up is, basically we are having you can enroll to get a full picture of your FICO score. Basically, you're having FICO score now from the Experian. It's a simple access with Wells & Fargo Online to help you know where you stand. Then we are having credit monitoring alerts. Basically, it's personalized credit monitoring. Then we are having credit report, which is a full access to your Experian credit report and a personalized score and tips. Then basically the second option is debt to income, which is DTY calculator. Over here you can enter your annual income before taxes and total monthly debt payments. Basically they don't include living expenses such as utility bills, food and entertainment for more accurate details, and you can just calculate your debt to income ratio. From there on, the third option is budget watch. As you can see, basically this is let's say an example. Basically it's a better way to crunch the numbers. You can keep it in one place. Charts make it a lot easier for you to see where your budget is going, and maybe possibly you can actually edit that budget, and depending on your scores, so you can actually keep track on your finances. So guys, basically that's the entirety of the financial health tools with Wells & Fargo. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.